Hello, guys. Welcome. Day 6. So it has been a while right now. Like for the past 7 days, we have been building this outbound system. So let's wait a bit and we can start. Let's wait 1 minute. Okay, guys, I think we can start this new day. So, what we're gonna build today is so we are not gonna build an agent today, so it's not regarding a new agent, but we are gonna improve and make sure that the sequence and the follow-up logic works. So what does it mean? So let's make a quick recap. So what we've done so far, we have built the lead sourcer agent, the enrichment agent, the copywriting agent. We have everything on Telegram. So we basically get drafts of emails on a daily basis and we approve or reject them. And then we have also built the Gmail sender. So once we approve them through Telegram, the Gmail sender agent just ships the approved Gmail emails. So I'm gonna show you this. This is how it works. So we have here all the leads we have been building the last 7 days. This is also a thing. I'm running a test so far, so I'm not pushing on the leads. We could even send thousands of emails weekly, but this is not the core of the system right now. So I'm just testing it. So here is everything about the lead sourcer, enricher, and copyright. No, here we have the lead sourcer and enrich agent. Here we have the copywriting agent, as we can see with the emails. And when I approve an email on my Telegram, the agent changes the status here. So for example, in this case, we have sent one email, okay, and we have a dashboard with a recap of what's going on. Even on the dashboard here on the CRM, we could improve it, but it's not a priority right now. So let's go and let's improve let's make sure that everything is working. So let me share you this. All right, so I selected my project here. So let's proceed. What's the next agent? The reply monitor, right? Okay. Okay, so this is also important because I wanna understand who's gonna work on what. Yeah. Okay, so the agent is working here. I don't think we need parallel sessions right now. So let's wait. Okay, so okay, so we should build the sequence scheduler, which is, I mean, this is the latest agent. So it's gonna follow up. Okay, I see. So the entire follow-ups, because I'm reading the structure we gave to the project. So we are gonna build this right now. Okay. I wanted to improve only the follow-up system, but it makes sense building the new agent instead. Okay, so what's gonna happen then? So the mail one sent. So this is what we have right now, for example, with the first lead. Then we have the sequence scheduler files. Send the pick stamps and it. Okay, I see. Because of course, like for each email, we are gonna, yeah, we need to approve over and over again the copy. So that's why the agent, the sequence scheduler, so we have here in the sequence, we have step 2 here, okay? But the status is sent, because of course we have sent the email. I think it's better to create 3 different columns, because of course I don't wanna, lose this data, this number. I mean, we sent an email, so why we should put back the status to copy approved again, or draft ready, basically. Yeah, because it doesn't make sense, like pushing back status over and over again. Then of course it's not about one email, it's about like 3 emails. So we need to rethink the structure here. That's why it's needed. Yeah, of course. So after email 1 is sent, the lead is sent. Okay, when the 3 and 4 day window opens, we need the sender to file email 2. But how does the sender know it's time? We can't go backwards to copy approved. So so the sender agent gets a new rule: if status sent and the last email sent is old enough, send the next email in the sequence. Okay. Okay, so if we go with option A, the sender checks the status. So if the status is sent and the timing passed, then we can send the next email. Okay, so okay, so I think we can also make the sender agent smarter, so it can manage everything here. The problem is still, like with number of emails we send. So I think that we should just keep the sequence step 2. So it means that we are ready to send the follow-up. So we have been sending not one email, but as soon as this passed to 3, then we have sent 2 emails. So it's like the sequence step minus 1 is the number of emails we have sent total. So here it's just this formula. I can just edit because it's like how can I make this? Because wait, let me think more about that. Let me see what's going on here. Okay, so first of all, let's remove the sequence scheduler agent. Okay, so we don't need it anymore. And so here we can remove it here. Okay, I mean, it's fine here. Okay, so it's working on this. Okay, so we also fixed something here. Okay, let me do this. I mean, I'm just gonna work manually to fix that. So it's this. Yeah, of course I need to do this. Okay, so here it's just this. Okay, let's see here. Yeah, of course, we also need the Telegram notification for the follow-ups. Okay, so I'm also curious to understand. So the entire machine is gonna work right now. So, you know, like the entire goal here is just to get as many leads as possible. All the agents just, you know, run autonomously, 100%. We just, as human being, we just, you know, check and fix errors if we spot them, or like we can even, you know, ask the agent, hey, go and check and fix any bugs we have on the CRM, on the sequences. We can even create a new agent only for that, you know, like developer agent or something like that, with the that, you know, which has the only goal to go and check if everything is okay, something is wrong, and it can fix it. Okay, so this is let's test end-to-end. It works, but I see something to investigate. The 11th copy approved leads all show step 1 and Amanda is at step 2. With my new mapping, step 1 would send email 2, but these copy approved leads haven't been sent at all yet. That's a potential bug. Yeah, okay, so he's saying that with the here with in the sequence step number 2, I mean number 1 means is ready to send the second email. So I think that now is gonna just put 0 here. I think so. And apply the same right for the first sense to always set step 1. Okay. Also, I don't know why he's not seeing that. Like last email sent 12 April, but here he's saying that last email sent equal to none, but this is not true. Yeah, let's see if he's gonna fix that. Of course he will. All right. Okay, so it's something wrong with the copywriting agent. Okay. Okay, so this was the error. So on the second email, we had like, the response to the first email, which is of course not correct. No, is making an error here, as we can see. I don't know why it's changing the. I mean, he's switching the body with the subject. Okay, so this is an error, of course. So let's stop it and let's say that. Maybe I know why. because maybe I added the column before. And of course the agent didn't know about that. Let's see. That could be my issue here. Because of course this is not it's not possible. Okay, so yeah, okay, this is what I thought. So basically I added the column manually before, and it just switched everything. Okay, we are gonna fix that. Yeah, it's fixing that. It's fine. Even okay. Okay. Yeah, so it's fixing that. It's fine. Okay, also I don't like the copy, by the way. It's too AI. Okay. So it's working also because I got the message. Okay, so let me just change this. I want to change the copy, and we can proceed. Okay, so what we have fixed before. So first of all, we needed to build a new agent, okay, the sequence agent. But instead of building a new agent, we just said, okay, so let's put the follow-ups and managing, all the follow-ups up to the sender agent. Makes more sense. So the agent which is gonna send the emails is the one is gonna also check the follow-ups email. How to check, the replies? We are gonna build the reply monitor agent, which is different agent, who's gonna communicate with the follow. I mean, with the sender agent. It's gonna say, hey, this lead didn't respond, so you can send the follow-up email, the second email. So this is how it's gonna work. After 3 mail, we basically put the status. Okay. Okay, so yeah, also like I don't like this this call to action is too cringe. So okay, so let the agent works. See you in 1 minute. Okay, sorry, I just noticed that my for the past 5 minutes, I had the microphone deactivated, so no one heard me. So okay, I was just saying basically that we have two errors here in the CRM right now. The latest four, I don't know why, the latest four copy here and not being fixed. And here in the email verification node, we have this bug, but this is due to me because I added this column before and it switched everything. So the agent just, lost the context here because he didn't check again the CRM. So I just said, hey, just fix that and fix the latest four copy here. Okay, it's fixing that. So we can close that. Also, let me update while it's working. Let me update that. So day 6, we okay. Yeah, so we have a more robust system right now for the follow-ups. Okay. I mean, okay, it fixed a bit. At least we have the verification. Okay, seems that everything has been done. Let's see it. Okay. Okay. So everything is okay. Let me ask what I think we should build. So we have the entire system ready here. I think we should build the the reply monitor. This is also important because it's gonna handle everything with the replies. Let me see it. Yeah. Right. Yeah. Okay. Perfect. So we have everything ready till here. We are sending emails right now. I mean, not officially sending them, but this is the actual status. As next, we are gonna build the reply monitor and classifier, and then the reply handler. I think, I'm not sure yet, but I think that the reply handler will be managed by the sender agent. It makes more sense. So thank you guys for watching this day 6, and see you tomorrow with the next live.